Master the FC26 web app and transform your ultimate team from your web browser starting now. First things first, let's get you logged in. Head over to the official FC26 web app website. You'll need your account credentials, so have your username and password ready. Enter them into the respective fields and click sign in if you have two-factor authentication enabled. You'll be prompted to enter that code as well. Once authenticated, you'll be greeted by the web app's main dashboard. The web app is your central hub for managing your ultimate team. Away from the console or PC, you'll see several key areas. The squads section allows you to view and manage all your current teams. Here, you can select a squad, see its rating and chemistry, and even make individual player swaps or apply consumables. The transfer market is where the real magic happens for trading. Use the extensive filter options to search for specific players based on position, league, club, rating, or chemistry style. You can then set your maximum bid price and buy at no price, or list your own players for sale. Watch the market, find bargains, and make smart transfers to boost your squad. Your club tab is your personal inventory. Here you'll find all your players, consumables like fitness cards or manager contracts, and any items you've acquired. You can sort and filter your club items to easily locate what you need for trading or squad building. This is crucial for identifying players to sell or to use in SBCs. The FC26 web app is an incredibly powerful tool for anyone serious about Ultimate Team. It allows for efficient trading, seamless squad management, and preparation for games, all from the convenience of your web browser. Start exploring, start trading, and build your dream FC26 Ultimate Team today.